Hi. Well, this is the potatoes. You boil them, you mash them with butter and with milk. And this is the consistency. Right? It's not as if you're serving them mashed potatoes. Okay, then we add salt, be generous, and pepper. You can always add when you put them on the plate if you haven't added enough. Okay, make a well in the middle.
What are you making?
I'm making potato scones.
Okay. You forgot that bit.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh well, my novice. Tara, you think yourself special. Okay, make a well in the middle, in other words a hole. Take your flour. Now I don't measure because my mother never measured and I wouldn't know how to, so I can tell. Okay. Takes a lot, but you can do it with an electric thing, but I like the old-fashioned way. Okay, this is how I like it.
So you added more flour?
I added a little more flour because it was just too smooth.
Okay.
Remember, you have to work with it.
And what consistency would you say
I would
that's
say
like?
it's a scone.
Like a regular, like ginger and orange scone or something?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
I always put a little bit flour on here because it's easier to work. So if your potato mixture is a little bit soft, the flour thingy, I roll it into a bowl first, depending on the size you want. Actually, I made this the other night as a side dish with our beef and vegetable, and I left them thicker. I didn't like them as thick, but Jack didn't complain.
He never does.
No, he never does. Okay, so if it breaks up, just squeeze it together. I'm not going to do the whole basin. I'm just doing enough for my pan. Okay. The flour you put to dust your hands, use that. Just flatten it down. It is quite important, the thickness you use. Okay?
That's quite, let me see the thickness. That's quite thin.
It's
Okay.
quite thin. And just put it in your hands to release the powder, the flour. These are quite big.
Would you normally do them smaller?
Yeah, a little bit smaller.
So how come if you buy them in the store they're triangular?
Okay, you want a triangle?
Is that
one?
just because they pat it and then cut it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I was just wondering.
But
If it was rolled, but it's not.
No. I suppose you could roll it if you're more comfortable with a rolling pin. As I say, I just do it the way my mum showed me. Excuse me. Okay, if you want the triangle, like Pamela, just roll it flat. It makes it more awkward. See? Sticky. Wee bit.
Okay. So you'd say leave it round?
It's easier left round. If you're trying to impress, then roll a bigger one. God. You eat 14 of them to satisfy you.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, this is the last one. I'm going to move over to the stove now. Okay. And I've greased my pan. I used bacon, half cooked it, so I could get the bacon fat. And this bacon will do the next batch, because this fat will dry up. Okay? Sorry.
I don't know what I was going to ask. Never mind. Just
Okay.
keep going.
So, just gently, be gentle.
What flame do you have that on?
I have it on high and I
Okay.
watch it.
Okay.
Remember, the potatoes are cooked, and it's really just the flour. Hear the sizzle?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh. Now this is supposed to be the triangles. Oops. I don't like that much fat. Okay, now we're ready to flip. Use a short handle spatula. It's just easy control. Tilt your pan, flip. Flip.
So that was only cooking for about
A minute, you know, but I'll probably turn it back over depending the colour you like it. Oops. Don't do what I just did. Okay, and you can flatten it. Remember, the potatoes are cooked, but you have to cook the flour or you'll get that floury taste, and that's not so good. Now my pan's ready for my next batch. And that's it, potato scones, and you can drop by any time. I can always make them. I have always flour and also potatoes.
Okay.
Okay, have a good day everybody. Bye.
So just as an aside, when I'm reheating mine, I reheat it in the pan again because I like them to be dark. So you could always try that as well. Okay, bye.